Welcome this video. Flower pot decoration idea in the gardening. Decoration. Gardening can become a structure of place, create and beauty. One of the simplest yet most effective way to enhance the charm of any gardening is by decoration. Flower pot, those smart contrain not only hold the life of your plants but can be also transforming into statement that represent your personal and elevate the gardening aesthetic. We explored a various of flower pot decoration idea for project to placement title that can add various interior, color and enjoy of your outdoor space. Plants, flower pouch can one of the easiest way to decoration a flower pot is by plant its whether you work with trellis or plant a free cost printed can rejective and pull contain idea use plants to create various or surface theme pouch for holiday like charm pots add short inspire quality or plants pull like less earth growing root for your hand flower pots substitute pot free up group space add various interior style soft and boho charm eco friendly and more metal charm and requested for a rustic or interior look. Use flower pots like that can so careful upcycle and the purple pots think outside the pots main household image can be turned into create plants. Example Perfect the quality decoration. New doorstep. Wood create down. Excellent for layout agreement. Those image add chaptering and charm. Post agreement. Post is a range to create a meaning to what you're photographing. Smart pot attach on top to each other. Fit the growing well soft and plants flower like all abowing. Reports with a metal root for supported those. This add height to the gardening and make a beautiful focal point. Theme flower pots. Decoration for supported select of your gardening with a undefined theme. Use decoration pot theme idea. Zinc gardening. Use black and white stone boho pots. Gardening smart flower pots with moats and mixing house. Tropical paradise. Bright both color paints, colorful pots. Pots, windflower, various access. Theme bring and various access. Cool down theme, stone, elements into your gardening decoration. Natural